Expand a list-like column in Dask df across several columns. This is similar to previous questions about how to expand a list-based column across several columns, but the solutions I'm seeing don't seem to work for Dask. Note that the true DFS I'm working with are too large to hold in memory, so converting to pandas first is not an option. I have a df with column that contains lists. According to this solution, if this were a PD data frame, I could do something like this. There's another solution listed here. So for Dask I tried. But that just spits out the same df I have from before. 1. This URL. Not really sure why, as the types between the example AX and the values in my df are the same. Edit. I kind of having a working solution, but it involves iterating through each group B object. It feels like there should be a better way.
In this case, Dask doesn't know what to expect from the outcome, so it's best to specify meta explicitly.
I got a working solution. My original function created a list which resulted in the column of lists, as above. Changing the applied function to return a Dask back seems to do the trick. But not sure if this solves the in-memory issue, as now I'm holding a list of group B results.
Here's how to expand a list-like column across multiple columns manually. Sultanora's Bayev's answer seems more elegant.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.